Okay, so hello and a pleasant day to all. I am Mary Ann Palantang, and as for my part, I will be going to talk about the corporate social responsibility. So, corporate social responsibility refers to a company's efforts to have a positive effect on the community, environment, and broader society in which the company operates. So, when we say corporate social responsibility means ito yung ini-implement na program or project ng isang kumpanya para tulungan ang mga tao sa community or ang environment na magkaroon ng community relations or sa pagkakaroon ng community relations. Halimbawa na lang nito ay ang Jollibee Food Corporation, which is isang sikat na quick service restaurant sa Pilipinas. O sa restaurant na ito is kumbaga may feeding program sila na pinamagatang busog-lusog feeding program na kung saan yung kumpanya is nakikipag-isa or nakikipag-partner sa mga public schools in different areas sa Pilipinas para tulungan at ma-provide nilang ang mga food or nutrition needs ng mga estudyante. So, bukod pa ron is meron din silang farmer entrepreneurship na tinatawag para tulungan ang mga magsasaka na magkaroon ng mas maayos na profit. So, natutulungan ng Jollibee na magkaroon ng sustainable business ang farmer sa pamamagitan ng paggamit ng mga supplies nila. So, dahil sa strategy na yon is nagiging maayos yung company. Nagkakaroon ng good effects yun sa image nila. Dahil nagkakaroon ng good effects yun dahil sa good image na pinapakita nito sa public, especially sa customers. So, CSR ay matatawag kapag ang isang kumpanya ay ooperate in a sustainable and ethical way. So, sa bawat kumpanya, mahalaga na dinedemonstrate nila ang CSR kasi makikita dito kung paano sila nakakatulong na mabawasan yung environmental issues like poverty rates or kung paano nakakapag-contribute ang isang kumpanya sa well-being ng society. So, that's a good example of corporate social responsibility. So, the next one is corporate social worker. So, kailangan po ba ang social worker sa isang kumpanya or sa business? Oh, yes po, kailangan ang social worker. In what way? So, ano nga ba ang role ng social worker sa business? Kapag ikaw ay isang corporate social worker, means a social worker helps ensure that an organization operates in a socially responsible and ethical manner while also providing support and resources to employees and the wider community. So, social responsibility in corporate context includes employee well-being, ethical business practices, and community involvement. So, corporate social workers help businesses be more equitable and accountable to employees and the general public. So, kapag ikaw ay isang isang corporate social worker means you have the responsibility to help corporations create better work environment and to support social justice. So as indicated po dito na isa sa mga responsibility ng social worker is yung well-being ng employees, ethical business practices, and community involvement. So, ginagamit ng social workers yung knowledge and skills nila para suportahan yung goals and objectives ng organization. So, one example nito is yung pag-provide nila ng resources at guidance sa employees na nakararanas ng personal or work-related difficulties. So, maaari silang mag-conduct ng counseling sessions, mag-implement ng programs para ma-address yung needs ng employees gaya ng mental health or stress management programs. So, in corporate social work is typically macro level siya dahil nakatuon siya sa policy, program development, and advocacy. So, that would be all for my part. Thank you for listening.